Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hi, what's up guys? Meet with me again in News CNC channel. Okay, in the previous video, in part 1 about our MP3 player project, we have designed the MP3 player, and like I promised, in the second video or in the part 2, I will show how to input a MP3 audio file into the list box. Before we do that, in here I prepare some example of MP3 file that I will input into the list box. Now back to our project, let's open it. Okay, before we start to code, in here I need 3 items again guys. One is one label. This is for counting the value of playlist. I'm sorry, not 2 but 1. Okay, just 1, and I will give the name of this label LBL count. You can see for counting our audio file guys here. And the number second, I need open file dialog. This is for open window to select the audio. I will change the name into the import guys. Okay, import, and don't forget to change the file name in open file dialog or import. In this case I will change to fin mp3 player. I will show later what does this function. And the filter, just put like this. Okay, audio files, like this guys. And because we need to add the extension of mp3, we just click mp3 like this. Okay, you can also do this for the WAV file. Now the last, after we add label 1 and import or LBL count here, we need to add Windows Media Player, because this is the most important. I think we need to the default bring by Visual Studio, the Windows Media Player is not in the toolbox. So the question how to do or how to add, just right click here and choose item. Okay, and go to the COM components and scroll down, and you can see here Windows Media Player. Just check here and click OK. Put into your project. Okay guys, I will hit this later, but for now just do it like this. Okay, now we need to start the code first. Because we have the database, the next step is create for connection configuration. I will right click here and click add new folder. Okay, I will give the name is access data like this, and then I will add 2 class. First is I will give the name is connexi data like this. I will click add, and I need again, once again in class, I will give the name is Sony Connect C, like this. You can put whatever the name you want. I will add again, and let's start the code. Okay, I'm sorry before, because the code is very long. I think it's not efficient or effective give you a tutorial, and for that I prepare the code, and you can download on www.news.co.id/vb. Okay, you can download this code in this URL. Now in here I will just explain short to shorter the video duration. Okay, let's start to connect the data here. Okay. You can copy this code all and just copy here and tell this all connection, and like this for the result. Okay, because we are using access, we need to import system.data.olydb, because this is for our connection to Microsoft Access database. Okay, the provider Microsoft JetOLEDB, this is for our connection to connect in dbplaylist.mdb. You can see this is application.startupPad is revert to our project in startupPad to bin to debug, because our startupPad here, so we put the database into here. Okay, that is the short explaining. And similar with number second connection, I will copy again, and this is for our letting or our later searching, guys. Why I need to two connection? This is for different needed later. Okay, done for our connection is, you can see here, refer to our dbplaylist.mdb file, because for database. Okay, now we need to save the number second. We need to double click on open this file or open this item. Double click here. You can see I will just put one by one and explaining to you. We need to import system.io for calling pet later, guys. Okay, do this like this. And data OLEDB, this is for needed into database Microsoft Access. Okay, next, this is for class for mp3 song or mp3 file. I will copy public class for faster. Okay, copy. You can also make region for td code. Region, I'm sorry, region mp3 declare, for example. You can do like this, declare, I mean. Okay, and then paste the code in here. You can see the code is too long, so after you create region, you can just do like this. Okay, now for second, this is for our connection database, guys. You can also create procedure or region for database connect, for example. Just paste in here this code. Okay, and then I can minimize again in the region. This is for saving playlists into database, guys. This sub until this sub. I will explain short after this. Okay, region for playlist database like this. I'm sorry, it cannot playlist in database. Okay, this is for our save playlist or audio in database. Okay, guys, I will explain short. This is my connection dot close. We need to close if there is connection open in our project. Okay, to keeping the database connection is working properly, and using SQL as new OLDB command. Okay, we need insert to TB playlist. TB playlist is a table name that we created before in design database, and the path, the values, the path is fill in TB playlist. The values is name queue. Name queue in here is for array, guys, and then open the connection, and this is for our looping about our playlist. Okay, that's all. And the main purpose of this code is for insert our playlist into database. That's all. And the number second, we need to show our playlist and appearing into this book, guys. That is okay. This is add playlist from database into this book like this. Okay, I will explain short again. The main purpose is select asterisk from TB playlist. It means select all path or our playlist from field path into the list box. I'm sorry. Okay, you can see here that object data reader is reading the path and convert to string. Then after reading the path, we read with file stream, and the final is with our song class in the our class mp3 declare here. Okay, we putting full name. This is mean pet, guys, artist, song name, and the panjang in here is for the duration of mp3 audio. Okay, the file member full name is mean the pet, guys, or the location of audio, and the name is, you can see here, artist song name with uh, of course with the duration. Okay, this is and we need to adding here for count the playlist sub. You can see Joomla like this for this guys. Sorry, need it here. Okay, you can see I also prepared the code in here because we there is no name LGM item, but we name is LBL count. So change this text. I will adding region for general comment like this. I'm sorry, I need double quotes here. Okay, what is this? Wow. Not here guys, I'm sorry. General comment is not between region but in here. Okay, and then adding this code for open and showing the playlist. Okay, you can see the sub masukkan and buka or dan buka, it's reverts to simpan ini is in here guys. Okay, refer to this command for save the playlist into database, and for tambah dari db here is reverse the below next command, and for tambah dari db it mean we just declare Sony Sitsku as string, and then using the import the file name we need to tambah Sony DB that refers in here. Okay, now we adding the full name is refers to pet, and the name is name of song here, its full name, content, artist, song name, and panjang here. Okay, and this is for button open. You can see that's masukkan dan buka is content here. Okay, for don't confuse, this is for double click in here and just execute this command. You can copy here or you can paste like this. Okay, this is not the end guys, this is not the last. We need to add throw item here. Click on your listbox playlist and select event and choose draw items. Okay, this is double click in here. Like I say, the code is very long and not effective if I code one by one. So this is I prepare the code, and you can copy paste the code from my personal blog. You can download. Okay, like this for this blog playlist for draw item. This is for separate the duration guys in the right side and the name of song in the left side. We split here, and I will explain this later. Okay, let's try to start if the function is work properly or not. Okay, let's try to open this guys. Open. And into desktop, in mp3 audio, let's start to add backstreets of you. Just click open here. Okay, because there is no mp3, this is the default name. Let's open again the dog park, open again good start, open again greenery, open again hound. I cannot, you can see I cannot select more than one here. You can change the properties uh, of your import or open file dialog. But before that, if you start here, you can see there is nothing our playlist. We need to load in the form load is that is, guys, just copy here or just do this. Okay, Tambadari DB here like this and start. You can see our playlist is show again. If there is nothing, this comment you can see, I will comment this is nothing our playlist. So it's better to call the Tambadari DB here. And you can see we don't or we cannot select more than one. You can see here you can change the properties of your open file dialog into multi-select from false to true. And you can see if I click again and then okay, I can select all again, but I want to select this. Okay guys, you can see this is the duration, this is the audio file. Because there is no song, I'm scared if infringement copyright if using mp3 audio with song. So I choose this free common this audio file. And what's next I want to explain. Okay, this is for the color of our playlist, guys. You can change the color from drawn item or draw item here. If not selected, you can change to red, for example. So your playlist will be red like this. Okay, and for hover or selected, if you want to not black, you can change in here, guys. What this is, okay, for example, if you select white, will not can or will not can see, cannot see, I mean, you can see like this is white. And whatever you want here. And what's again, okay, I will explain this. The 7 is reverse to our playlist here, because uh, counting the LBL places item dot count, counting the item into the list box. You can see this is 7, so this is 7. And we need to hate this if you are disturbing seeing this, but uh, we will do later, so you don't confuse. We will do later, okay, don't confuse with that. And I think it's enough for how to add playlist. In the next video, we need to code to play, stop, and resume button, and then next with back, open, back, next, volume up, move, volume down, and all of this project must be done because it's a request from my friend Jimmy Frankel. Okay, the part 2 I think is enough how to add the playlist into the list book, and don't forget to subscribe to seeing the next video about our mp3 player project to code function of button play, stop, and resume. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.